The home inspection is a limited, non-invasive examination of the condition of the home on the day of the inspection. The home inspection report is intended to give the home buyer the details and to convey the findings so they can make their most informed buying decision. The home inspector has the experience to see things that the average person cannot see. It also provides a comprehensive report that explains any issues in a way that all can understand. The professional home inspector and their findings will help you to understand the home and know what you are looking at in your soon-to-be dream home. A home inspection is a crucial and integral part of the home buying process. It is normally the responsibility of the buyer to hire and pay for the inspection. The home inspection costs can vary depending on the size, age, and features of the home as well as other factors. The home inspector will inspect for safety, function, and structure of the home, including the roof, attic, siding, the foundation, crawl space, slab or basement, the driveway, patio, deck, doors and windows, heating and cooling systems, plumbing, electrical, fireplace and chimneys, appliances, and more. Once the inspection is complete, the home inspector will usually go over their findings and answer any questions. You will receive a high-quality and easy-to-understand inspection report with color photos and detailed findings. You then have the information and knowledge to make your most important buying decision with confidence.